Literally, we are here in the parking area. It's not video. We are here in the level 5 of Wilson Parking, and that's our view. And let's go! Hello everybody! Hello mga baby cake. I am out right now and watch out for later. I am still here inside the mall. Look at that. And I'm here sitting down. Right. I bought this. This is my first investment. My first investment on my YouTube channel. So my first pay goes in here. So we're gonna have to do unboxing later when I arrive. Oh, yan. Or maybe later. I don't know. Basta, i-unboxing natin siya and I will show you what are inside. Okay, we just arrived home. Tapos, this is our dinner. We bought Wendy's. Alright. Kain muna ako, guys. Ooh. Look at the Wendy's. I already had my first bite. Baby cake. How are you today? Oh, sobrang pagod. I came from work and it's 5:15 now. Pero yung araw, grabe pa yung sikat ng araw dyan. Grabe, sobrang init dito ngayon mga baby cake. Sobra. Aalis ako. I am going to attend the birthday party of Sister Maria Luz. So, punta tayo sa party niya and then let's have a look kung ano ang mga ganap doon. Alis na tayo mga baby cake. Am I going to drive kasi hindi pwede mag-film habang nagda-drive. So, see you later sa party ni ate. See ya!
Sabi ko kung hindi pala kayo lote ko hanggang ay tagal pa na mga bata na bakit naman ay ano
Alright, hello mga baby cake. How are you today? Today is so exciting day kasi I already got my Google Adsense. Ayun! So, I am going to enter the PIN from here that the Google Adsense sent me. And then I am going to verify my address and my bank account. And then that's the time that I can receive a payment for all the videos that I am uploading. And may mga ads po siya. So, yung ads are the one who pay for my videos. For all of you mga baby cake who are watching my videos, thank you so much. And for those who are new, please click the subscribe button, and also you can hit the notification bell so that you will be notified sa mga next vlog ko. Ayun. And then you can also leave the comment down below or like my video if you like my video. Ayan. So, I already got my first pay from my channel. So, and I would like to share with you all my first investment in my YouTube channel. So, hindi siya malaki, hindi kasi bago pa lang. So, hindi po siya kalakihan yung na-receive ko for my first pay in my YouTube channel. Let's do the unboxing, mga BB cake. So, this is the one. There are 3 items inside. So, ayan. Ayan. Actually, I post this in my Facebook, and may mga nagpag-guest po ako kung anong laman ng bag na ito. So, ayan, there are plenty of my friends who comment in my posts, my video in my Facebook. Ayan, and I would like to shout out to Hazel Villar and the family in Dubai. Hello, 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 hello. And also, Sis Blaze, she has a YouTube channel. It's Ligaya's channel. So she's do cooking in a YouTube channel. So I will put her channel down there on the screen. Also, I would like to shout out Tita Beth in Tauranga, New Zealand. Thank you so much for guessing what is inside this bag. Only Tita Beth had a correct answer. Thank you, Tita. And I would like to shout out also to my friend Sheila May Salinio Guzman Salde Gonzalez. Miles Idhan Navarro, hi Bess from Dubai, thank you. And also my cousin April Samande, Tita Josie from Germany, Mac Aldre Tupas, I think this is my cousin Charity in Singapore. Thank you. And Chris Wubet, my cousin in Philippines, Erin Grace, my kababayan in Philippines, also Tim Skidden here in New Zealand. Thank you for commenting. Eric Haslam here in New Zealand, thank you for the comment, which is you tried your best but sorry, it's wrong. My cousin Tia in Canada, and also thank you for Ed's Dixino Roa, the husband of my cousin in Bacolod City. Thank you so much for all your comment. Thank you. And without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Actually, this is the receipt. So I've got the total amount of $116 for my first investment ko sa YouTube channel. So, sa lahat na marireceive ko from my pay in my YouTube channel, i-invest ko muna siya sa mga materials that I need for my vlog kasi it's important. So, palakihin natin yung view natin. Thank you, guys. I'm so happy. Let's continue. Alright. I have 3 items and here in this bag, and I bought this in Mobie. Mobie is located in Westfield New Market, Auckland, New Zealand. So, ayan. Wala po ako nakikitang ganito na mga parts sa vlog ko. So, thanks in Mobie kasi nakita ko po yung hinahanap ko. Mayroon po silang mga tripod, mayroon silang phone cases. If you are here in Auckland, try to visit in Westfield New Market. Kasi you can find a lot of tools for your vlogging. If you love videos or photography, you can find a lot of stuff in this shop. Let's continue. My first item that I bought is my phone holder. Ayan. So my phone holder kasi I already have my tripod. Kaso lang may phone holder po ako, but ayan, pero iba po siya. Pang indoor ko lang po siya. But this one I can use this pag lalabas ako. It cost $10. Ayun. It's my phone holder. So second items that I bought is this. Phone clip holder. It's a phone clip holder. So, open natin po siya. Let's open. Phone clip holder po. Maliit lang po siya. So, medyo handy po siya pag nagva-vlog po ako sa labas. So, it's very important para sa akin yan. Okay, lastly, this is also one of my things that I need. Especially pag sa labas. Kasi it's windshield po siya. So, ayan. So, this is compatible with smartphone, tablets, DSLR cameras, camcorders, audio recorders. So, it also a compact and lightweight directional mic, rugged metal construction, no battery needed. It's a professional Fury windshield included. So, ayun, kaya binili ko po siya kasi if we are filming outside, medyo mahangin po. So, maririnig po nyo yung zzz, ganun. So, this one, it can protect the wind. You know, yung walang maingay na papasok sa audio natin. Ayun. Let's open. Kasi hindi ko pa siya na-open. So, what do you call this? The brand of this microphone is Booyah. This is also famous and well-known in the Philippines. I think, yeah. Kasi, I saw some of the videos. I watched some of the videos in YouTube. They can buy this online in Lazada and in Shopee. Yun. So, that's why I said like, why I cannot find here in New Zealand? So, I keep watching and keep looking online. But the order is in China pa. So, sabi ko, ay wag kasi, you know, it takes time to arrive here. Okay, now let's open the microphone. I-open natin siya, mga baby cake. Ayan, mga baby cake, ito po yung laman ng microphone. And we can see here. Aurora! Okay, ito po yung clip niya. May cord po siya. Another cord. We'll figure out what are those accessories from this microphone. Let's just find it out later. So, mayroon po siyang case. And which is really, really good. Kasi I want to keep all my stuff in one place. So, yan. Mayroon po siyang guide of how or where we can connect the microphone. Then, I don't know what is this. Oh, they have a warranty card as well. So in case that the microphone is broken, I think I can return or I can replace this. Before I bought these items in Mobie, I registered online so that I can get 10% discount. The cost of this Boya windshield microphone is $99. So ayan. And the cost of this is $20. And the cost of this is $10. So the total is actually $130, but I pay only $116 kasi po mayroon po akong 10% discount yun from Mobie. Let's continue. Okay, ito po yung tinutukoy ko kanina. Yan, mayroon na po akong ganito. So, I can put my phone in here. May video po ako, yung nag-unboxing po ako nito. So, I will put the link on the description box kung gusto nyong manood ng unboxing ko regarding with this item. Binili ko po siya sa Wish. So, watch my video and then malalaman nyo kung paano ako nag-order nito sa online. I also order online. I ordered this in TradeMe. TradeMe is online website or online shopping here in New Zealand. So I bought this only $6. $6 pa? I think $6. Hindi ako sure, nakalimutan ko na. Basta, mura lang po siya kasi nung lockdown po, wala akong magawa. Sabi ko, what are the things that I still need to buy for my vlog sa mga videos ko? So, which is, I really need this tripod. So, maganda po yung quality niya. It's really good. So, ayan. Here, these are the 3 items in my first pay. So, i-assemble natin siya. Ito, ilagay lang natin siya dito. Ayan. Yan. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang. On the top po, ganyan siya. Ayan. Ganyan po siya. Dito yung phone ko. Ilagay ko yung phone ko. Okay. Binasa ko po siya sa instruction. So, as nakita niyo po, there are 2 different cords. Ayan. 2 different cords. Ito po, yung straight lang siya na cord. This can be used in smartphones, tablet, or iPhone, any phones. Then, I have another one in here. Itong ibang cord naman, it's different kind of cord. So, magagamit po siya sa camera. So, yan. So, since that I'm using my phone for recording, for filming, so, yung gagamitin natin yung, syempre, itong straight. So, yan. Ilagay ko lang siya dito. Kung saan po ako komportable. Kung saan po tayo komportable, you can place anywhere. So, ilock ko lang siya, guys, para hindi siya mahulog. I will just secure my microphone. Ayun, perfect. Okay, this is now the final. Ayan. Kita nyo na. So, I'm going to put my phone in here. So, since that I'm using my phone right now and there, so hindi ko siya mapakakita sa inyo. Yan. So, pag lalabas po ako and I'm going out for, like, I'm do filming, I can just do this. And then, just imagine na may phone po dito. Kasi ginagamit ko yung phone ko. Wala pa akong camera. So, ayan. Just imagine like that. And then, I'm filming outside, outdoor, nas mahangin. So, diba? It's really good. Okay, ayan. I'm so excited to use this. Alright. This is it, pansit. Alright. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video today. And I am so happy and thankful for all of my viewers, for all of you who are watching my videos. Thank you so much for all your support. And also, you can share my video if you like to in your social media account. So that's sempre, the more views, the more subscribers, the more happier and merrier. Oh! Char! I have my next project after this. So, yung next project ko ay bibili po ako ng camera kasi wala pa po akong camera. So, I'm going to save it and then we're gonna buy a camera para bongga yung mga video natin, mga baby cake, diba? So, yan. Thank you. If you are new on my channel, alam na. If you're new on my channel, please hit the like button, also subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future videos. In my future plans, ayan, this content of my videos and on my channel is about my travel. And also, we are going to discover what are the places that I visited, and let's explore and enjoy the beautiful place. And I will gonna show you that in my future videos. So mga baby cake, keep safe. To all my friends in Dubai, also Arnold Rivera, who are watching this video. Hi Nok! Hi Nok! Hanggang dito na lang yung vlog ko. Thank you! Bye! Have a lovely day! Mwah! 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 Bye!